So this question says right triangles LMN and PQR are similar. Okay, so before I even keep reading, my mind immediately says, hey, this is a plug-in picture, PIP, plug-in picture. So anytime I see a question that describes something that can be drawn, but there's no diagram there for me, I prefer to have a visual than to memorize or try to envision in my mind what this all looks like. And I know that I may need to adjust here or there. So I'm told that I have right triangle LMN, so I'm going to just draw a right triangle. And I'm going to call it LMN. There's my right triangle. PQR, so I'm going to just make it smaller. I don't know that it actually is smaller, but I can adjust that, so I'm not concerned. PQR, right? So the order in which you label these are important, right? The L and the P should be in the same location. The M and the Q should be in the same location, right? They're both at the right angle. And the N and the R should be in the same location in order for these right triangles to be similar, where L and M correspond to P and Q, respectively. We got that. Angle M, okay. Oh, so that means I labeled it wrong. Okay, so angle M has a measure of 53 degrees, which means I should have labeled this as LMN, which means this one over here should be PQR. Now, M, I'm told, is 53 degrees, so now I can label my drawing 53. If that's 53, and we know this is 90, right, we can figure out what L is if we need to. What else do we know? Oh, also, if these two triangles are similar, that means Q would also be 53, because in order for two shapes to be similar, their angles have to be congruent, right? So their side lengths are proportional, but the angles are actually, the corresponding angles are actually congruent. So that tells me that that's 53. What is the measure of angle Q? Oh, well, we just did it. I had no idea that I was going to ask that. So the measure of angle Q is 53. And I just explained exactly why. It literally is in the definition of what it means for two shapes to be similar, right? They don't have to be the exact same size, but the corresponding angles are definitely congruent. So that's our answer for number 9.